Did you know that a YouTube channel started just 2 months ago? And with only 17 uploads, it has already gained almost 10,000 subscribers and crossed 500,000 views? There's another similar channel in the same niche that has already gained 45,000 subscribers, and its most popular video alone has over 800,000 views. The reason I'm mentioning this motivational niche is because it's extremely simple to create. Most of these videos are just 2 to 3 minutes long, meaning you don't need to spend hours making them. They are made using a simple voiceover, on-screen captions, background music, and anime clips as visuals. But here is the important part. I'm not going to teach you how to exactly copy these videos. If you use the same easily available anime clips that every other motivational channel is using, your channel will have no real brand value. Viewers will quickly lose interest, the visual quality is often low, and there is a massive risk of copyright issues in the future. Instead, I'm going to show you how to use completely free AI tools to generate high-quality, unique visuals for your motivational videos so your channel can stand out and grow much faster. The first thing we need is viral ideas and a highly engaging script. For that, we will use ChatGPT. By giving ChatGPT a simple prompt, you can instantly generate multiple viral-style video titles. Once you pick an idea, like a 30 days challenge, which works perfectly because it feels realistic and achievable, you can prompt ChatGPT again to act as a professional scriptwriter. Within seconds, it will give you a highly engaging 3 to 4 minute motivational script tailored exactly to your chosen topic. Next, we need to generate unique visuals for a script. We will first ask ChatGPT to generate scene-by-scene image prompts based on our text. Then, we will take those prompts to a free tool called Whisk AI to generate our images in a 16:9 aspect ratio. The absolute best feature of Whisk AI is that you can use your first generated image as a character reference, ensuring that every future image features the exact same character naturally and consistently. Once all your images are ready, upload them to Grok AI to convert them into high-quality video animations, making sure to upscale them before downloading. Finally, a motivational video needs a deep, masculine, and authoritative voice. We will use Google AI Studio for this, which is completely free. By pasting your script and adding a specific voice style prompt, you can generate a highly professional-sounding voiceover. Once you have your audio and video clips, bring them into an editing software like Premiere Pro or CapCut. Since most of the heavy lifting is already done, simply align the AI visuals with your voiceover, add some on-screen captions and epic background music, and your unique, zero copyright, viral-ready motivational video is ready to upload.